How to use negativity by combating it with positivity. I will give you a small short story which will show you how exactly you can turn negative things into positive by your own positive way of looking at a problem. There was this young girl, and she was responsible for looking after the garden and for bringing the water. Now, since there were three uh, daughters in laws in that house, it was this youngest daughter in law's duty to go and fetch water from the well and also to look after the garden. Now, one of her other sisters in law was very jealous of her, so she wanted to spoil things for her. So, the small pot in which she used to bring water, that one made two holes in it. Halfway, in the halfway mark, she made two holes. So now, when this girl went to fill water, she was so disappointed when she picked up the thing, it was leaking. And now there was no chance to buy another one because they were not very well off, and then the mother in law will shout and say, "Why did you break it?" So she just had to jolly well manage with that pot. So she had to take extra trips this time. Now what she thought is, she said, "Okay, I have to take extra trips, no problem. How can I use this best to my ability?" So then she realized that while she was walking home, the water was like, falling out and going onto the side of the path where she had to reach her house from the well. So now she planted some flowers and some vegetables in separate patches along the way on either side. And believe you me, when that water used to keep falling, and if she had to make 10 trips, she had to now make 20 trips, 10 in the morning and 10 in the evening. And during those 10 in the morning and 10 in the evening, she was watering her plants as well. So at the end of the month, at the end of 2 months, she had a wonderful garden and she had vegetables to eat. And at the same time, she was also filling her water, though it took her an extra amount of time. So you see, when life throws negative things your way, you are supposed to be able to deflect it very adeptly with a good deal of confidence and think about how to turn that to your advantage. There is a saying that whatever happens in your life happens with a purpose, and all good things happen to those who are good of heart. And all good things happen to those who God knows are good of heart and who have had a good intention. It's not necessary that, um, somebody is plotting and planning against you and you become a, what is that called? You become a target, and you stay down as a target, and you say, okay, I'm dead, very very dead. I let that person do whatever they want with me and I give up, or I'll disappear because they want me to. No, make yourself strong, make yourself get up, make yourself do the impossible. What seems impossible is not impossible for God. He will turn the things around and help you to do it when He knows that your intention was good all along. Any religious philosophy will teach you that अच्छा करो तो अच्छा होगा, karma. बुरा करो तो बुरा भी वापस आती है. So do the things, do it good, do it happily, do it with a smile on your face, and turn the things around to your advantage. Very often a negative will come, and instead of looking at how to create it into a positive thing, you will also react with negativity. Then it will make the double negativity, and it's a then chakra view that continues. It goes round and round and round and becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and more convoluted and more complex, and then there is no solution in the end. So start trying to look out for solutions rather than the problem. Problems will come. Life is full of problems. As you look at the seasons that surround us, you have summer, winter, autumn, spring, and then the winter again. And through the changing seasons, suddenly, even though it is supposed to be summer, suddenly you'll get a shower of rain. If it's supposed to be winter, you will get, cloudy weather and a heat wave kind of a thing in the middle. So it's not necessary that, things will remain constant constantly. Things are always dynamically changing, and it is up to us individuals, and God has equipped us in such a way that, we are capable of, with our brains and our positivity, to turn the things around. So even in the workplace, they always look out for individuals who are team players, good team players. What's a good team player? A person who is able to turn these things around. There's a lot of negativity flowing, and especially in the workplace, because everyone is trying to cut the other one to show how good they are. That happens in the family also. If there are like three daughter-in-laws or four daughter-in-laws working together, and then one is trying to be better than the other, then this competition thing will come, and then somebody will try to put extra salt into somebody's dish, or somebody will try to put too much of chili powder into the thing. So in the end, it won't be so good, because you will get a dirty look from everyone and say, "What did you do to the food? You made it so salty. Now we can't eat it." So these things happen all over. I was having a play, and things would disappear. Things which I was using, like, I have five curtains, and then I'll end up with four curtains. And I said, I know, I wrote it down when I brought it, that I brought five curtains, and I brought this, and I brought that, and it's all written down. Now, where's that curtain? And that curtain turned up when the function was over. And many people didn't like the fact that I had spoken about it. They said, because you are saying that the thing disappeared. I said, yes, it disappeared because of somebody not wanting me to put up the program, or to create a problem for me whereby it won't be so good. And then I said, watch it, at the end of the program, that thing is going to come back. And true enough, on its own, it came and manifested itself back on my desk when the program was over. So you see, there are these people working against you in life. There will be innumerable people, no matter where it is, no matter who it is. Everyone comes into a lot of opposition from a number of sources. The main thing is to maintain your calm, maintain your cool, think about what has happened, try and find a positive solution, and go about it. I'm telling you, there is nothing greater than the fact that, when somebody is hoping to have thrown you off balance, and, spoil something for you, when you turn that around and you prove that in spite of all those negativities, you made a wonderful, put up a wonderful show, or your presentation was the best, or your food was cooked the best, you know. So in life, remember, there will be a number of challenges. There will be a number of negativities. That is the true test of a real person who has caliber, and who has quality, and who has class. Because class is important in handling it, with that finesse and that charm that puts you above the others. And that is the greatest चिंगारी जो लगती है किसी को, कि अरे, after doing all that, she was still able to go and do it. So yes, be that spark that nobody can put out. Be that spark which enlightens all the others, not the spark that will set fire and destroy things, but yeah, the fire that will, create the fire of creativity, which will inspire and, cook that food for you, or cook that thing to perfection for you. And this is what life is all about. So take time off to think how you can change your negatives into positives, with positivity, and then bringing a smile to everyone's face around you. Have a nice day.